All right, y'all. Now you're in the kitchen with Sweet Angel. Now I can do this right here. Your girl gonna be able to do this because you know what? This is what I love. This is what I love. Whew, just so yummy. These are huge. Look at my hand and look how big that is. See, that's a crab leg. Okay, I don't know what y'all be giving. That's a crab leg. All right, let's do this. Oh, by the way, hey, how you doing? Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, cause you know it's about to be lit. So this is me seasoning up my crab legs. Now I just season my stuff like I season this here crab shell or whatever you call it, girl. I got some cayenne pepper. I don't need no B-love sauce. I got the sauce, honey. And now I'm put a little of this shrimp and crab boil in it, just around the water part of it, okay? Right in there, right in there. All right, now we just cover them up and stick them in the oven. That's what we're gonna do today. Mikey's favorite place to hang out, right here in the kitchen, shoving stuff in there. Okay, but this is my thing today, okay? This is my thing. Whoop, they in there, they in there. So Maddie's gonna make the butter up, and then I am going to sit down and relax. Bye, y'all. All right, don't think we're crazy, but we are going to rent a movie. What movie is this? Okay, we're gonna be watching the movie called Ma. Hold on. Let me show it to y'all. But we have our blanket on the floor. We are going to eat out of the pan, y'all, and we got our paper towels. I got me a little highball. Okay, I got me some cranberry and some Tito's vodka. Yes, I do. And my water and my paper towels. Maddie got her water. That's all she drinking. Polar thing. I'm just kidding. No, that's all she can drink. But anyway, we are watching the movie Mall. Let me show you the actual, I guess, the screen thingamajig here. Hold on. So this is the movie we'll be watching while we do our grub a dub dub, and it is called Ma. I never heard of it. I never heard of it, but it's Octavia Spencer offers the basement of her home for some kids to party, okay? But her hospitality curdles into obsession, turning a teenage dream into a terrorizing nightmare. Y'all, okay? And this sucker is rated aura, okay? So we ready to do our thing. So we'll be chilling out, watching this movie for an hour and 39 minutes. All right, I'll show y'all the food before we get to grubbing. No, you can't have any. All right, it's that time, y'all. I'm getting ready to enjoy myself. Y'all, please, if you enjoyed this little piece of a video and you know exactly what your girl finna just be grubbing right now, just go ahead. Why don't you just drop a like on this video, share the channel, Life with Sweet Angel and Mike. And somebody said, why ain't you put Maddie in there? Because Maddie gonna do her own thing, y'all. She don't want to be with us old people. But anyway, she here today, right? Because of this right here. Look at there. Look. Y'all see that? You see my little finger? And you see that big crab leg? Woohoo! All right. This is it. Holla at y'all later. Bye. Y'all, share us with your world. Good morning, beautiful babes. Hello, hello. It is Tuesday, October 22nd. Your girl finna beat this face a little bit, just a little bit beat, just slap it around a little bit, and get out of here. Me and Maddie gonna head to the Waffle House, get something to eat, and kind of hang out in the stores today. I ain't doing no big shopping. I ain't doing no shopping, y'all. Just hanging out, okay? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Actually looking for a picture to go in the spot right behind me there. I've cleared out my Betty Boop stuff. It's actually down here in the cut right there. If you can see there. Right in there. Okay. And we're gonna get ready to just kind of see if I can find me a picture there. And yeah, I've got my lights up on my, you know how I do each year. But anyway, y'all, let me get my face together and I'll see y'all in a minute. Y'all go watch that long ass Get Ready With Me chit chat on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Okay, do that for me. I appreciate you. Bye. All right, beautiful babies, makeup is done and we're getting ready to head out in the streets. And I don't know why I say head out in the streets. We ain't gonna really be like in the streets, are we? We're gonna be driving them streets, riding. But anyway, I just say that. So I'm gonna get something to eat first. We're gonna head to the Waffle House. Get me some breakfast. Yes. And who knows? Like I said, might hit a few stores, but honey, I ain't about to spend no dollars. No, it's Christmas time now. I gotta be saving it up, right? Yes, saving it up. But anyway, let's head on there, okay? And what am I wearing today? I just have on a sweater, a little tank, some like brown pants and some brown boots there. Yeah, that's what I got on. So I'm all ready to go. Got my checkered bag. Yeah. She ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go. I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Yes. So, what y'all doing today? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? I said, what you doing today? I don't know. I guess Miss Maddie ready. Y'all now. Ah. All right, good folks. We are at the Waffle House. You can't see nothing. Maddie, say hey. Don't Maddie look pretty today, y'all? Looks so pretty. There's a little man. He's gonna get on his motorcycle. Waffle House. Can y'all see that somewhere over there? Yeah, that's it. Anyway, we're going to eat. I'll show you what I'm eating. Make you hungry. All right, y'all. In a minute. All right, y'all. Let's say I wasn't doing no shopping today, but guess what? Guess who's got a new mattress? Good sleep tonight, honey. Now I need a new comforter set. Yes, I do. Ooh. Y'all see that stool right there? That ottoman. It actually came with a chair I just picked up today, but it's too much for the beauty room. So guess who got it? Maddie. Why? But it's so cute. Let me show y'all the chair. All right, beautiful babes. Here is the chair. I got Vanna White in the house. Come on, Vanna. Shuffle the pillows around. Y'all know we already had the lash out pillow in here, but these two pillows came with a chair. That's Vanna White's hands, y'all. Okay, and Vanna White needs to be buying her mama a pillow. I mean, a pillow.
It's too big. Both of these too big.
Vanna White needs to be buying her mama a picture to go right there. No, ma'am. Why would you do that?
It's too big. Look. Then you put.
She's trying to steal my pillows, y'all.
Then you got to sit down and move them all.
No, you gonna stack it behind your head or something. I don't know.
Everybody who come here gonna do that. Then next thing
And
you
then
know,
we
this
also
pillow gonna
have
be flat. She ignoring me,
a little
y'all.
rug.
This pillow gonna be flat. Somebody come up here and
There's a
sit
little
on it.
store here in town that I went to. I'm not going to even give the name of it because I'm not advertising. And besides that, they're not a national store. So I'm not going to tell you where I got it from. And y'all know these little rugs be everywhere. You know, El Cheap O. Okay. So that's the fun we had there today. And she's trying to take one of my pillows. This girl, y'all should see her bed. And well, y'all saw her bed just a moment ago, right? Too many dadgum pillows. So anyway, just moving around here. My desk is junky, so don't look at that. So that's what it looked like from a distance. Yes, okay. And again, I want to get a picture to go right there in that little spot. So that's where the story times are going to happen at. Story times, if you want story times, thumbs up the video. Now let's go to the living room. Just one more item to show y'all. All right, Maddie says she thinks it looks better cat corner. I'll turn it a little bit more as I kind of see, you know, what's what. But anyway, there it is. Nice comfy chair for my gals to come over and relax in. All right, y'all, again, let's go to the living room. All right, we're here in the living room, and this is what we have here. A new rug, finally. Yeah, excuse my mess. I was actually working over there. And there it is. Let me turn the light on so you can actually see. All right, there's a little light for you. And it kind of goes with the pictures on the wall. Like, see there?
Excuse my man.
All the same colors. Same color. Like so. And there we go. Here we go. All right, that's it, beautiful babes. I'm getting ready to go and get me a little dinner right now. Great day today. We started off at CVS. I just went there to get some shampoo, and that's really it. I got some shampoo. I had a coupon and just went hog wild on that. And then we headed on to Waffle House, had a little lunch, y'all already know. And then where did we go from there? Heck, I don't even know. Oh, yeah, we went to a couple of furniture stores, picked up those little rugs, um, and did a little shopping. Got me a new mattress, so I'm going to be like really, really enjoying myself tonight in that new bed. I'm just like a new bed to me, okay? Well, a new mattress, you know, I'm gonna sink down in that bed and be, oh goodness, out of it. So I'm excited about that. So that's it, y'all. Just a little home decor update. We got a couple more things to get. You know, I showed y'all that sofa I wanted, but I wanted to get I'm trying to get one room, tackled at a time. The beauty room has pretty much come together except for little whatnots. But other than that, that's about it. So anyway, let me let y'all go. Hey, let y'all go. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for hanging out for a little while with me. I'll talk to you later. Bye.